Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of fad diets that leave you starving and miserable? Do you want to lose weight without sacrificing flavor or your sanity? Then it's time to ditch the processed crap and embrace the power of vegetables. In this video, I'm going to reveal my top 10 veggies that will help you shed those unwanted pounds faster than you can say service. Get ready to transform your body and your life, one delicious vegetable at a time. First up, we've got spinach. This leafy green is often associated with Popeye, the cartoon sailor who gained superhuman strength from eating it. But spinach is not just for Popeye, it's for everyone who wants to lead a healthier lifestyle. And no, I'm not talking about that mushy, overcooked garbage they try to pass off as food in some restaurants. You know the kind, limp, lifeless, and utterly unappetizing. That's not the spinach we're celebrating here. I'm talking about fresh, vibrant spinach that's packed with nutrients and low in calories. Imagine those crisp green leaves that almost seem to glow with health. This is the kind of spinach that can transform your meals and your health. This leafy green is your secret weapon for weight loss. It's incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes. Whether you're tossing it into a salad, blending it into a smoothie, or even sneaking it into your pasta sauce, spinach can help you shed those extra pounds. It's like a breath of fresh air for your body, flushing out toxins and boosting your metabolism. The high fiber content helps to keep you full longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants that fight off free radicals, keeping your cells healthy. And don't even get me started on the iron levels. Spinach is a fantastic source of iron, which is essential for producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout your body. This is especially important for those who are anemic or have low iron levels. We need that iron to power through workouts and conquer our days. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or just trying to get through a busy day, iron helps to keep your energy levels up. It's like having a little extra fuel in your tank. A quick tip for you, throw a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie. It blends seamlessly with fruits like bananas and berries, adding a nutritional punch without altering the taste. You get all the benefits without even realizing it's there. You won't even taste it, but your body will thank you. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your energy levels, digestion, and even your skin. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some fresh spinach. Your body will be glad you did. Next up is broccoli, a vegetable that often gets a bad rap, but is truly a nutritional superstar. And don't you dare turn your nose up at it. Sure, you might have memories of mushy, overcooked broccoli from your childhood, but we're here to change that perception. This isn't your grandma's boiled-to-death broccoli. No more soggy, flavorless greens that make you want to skip dinner altogether. We're talking about perfectly steamed broccoli that's still got some bite to it, with a squeeze of lemon for flavor. Imagine tender, vibrant green florets that are bursting with freshness and a hint of citrus. This veggie is a powerhouse of vitamins and fiber, keeping you fuller for longer and reducing those pesky cravings. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and even a bit of protein. And let's be honest, who wants to be hangry? That feeling of being so hungry you're angry is the worst, and broccoli can help keep it at bay. Not a good look, people. No one enjoys being around someone who's irritable because they haven't eaten well. So embrace the broccoli and your waistline will thank you. Not only will you feel better, but you'll also look better. It's a win-win situation. Plus, there are so many delicious ways to prepare it. From roasting with a bit of olive oil and garlic to adding it to your favorite stir-fry, the possibilities are endless. So next time you're at the market, don't pass by the broccoli. Give it a chance and it just might become your new best friend in the kitchen. Now, let's talk carrots. They're crunchy, they're satisfying, and they're bloody delicious. Plus, they're low in calories, making them the perfect guilt-free snack. Keep a bag of baby carrots in your fridge for those moments when you need a quick bite. And don't even think about dipping them in ranch dressing. We're trying to be healthy here, people. A little hummus is all right, but don't go overboard. Chapter 4. Cauliflower, the chameleon of vegetables. Cauliflower is a blank canvas, just waiting for you to get creative in the kitchen. You can roast it, mash it, rice it. The possibilities are endless. It's a fantastic low-carb substitute for rice or potatoes. And it soaks up flavors like a dream. Trust me, once you start experimenting with cauliflower, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Chapter 5. Bell peppers, a rainbow of flavor and health. Bell peppers are like the fireworks of the vegetable world, colorful, vibrant, and full of flavor. They add a satisfying crunch to any meal without adding a ton of calories. Slice them up and use them as dippers for hummus, toss them in a salad, or stuff them with lean protein for a delicious and nutritious meal. Chapter 6. Zucchini, the Pasta Imposter. Zucchini is a magician in the kitchen. You can spiralize it into noodles, making it the perfect low-carb substitute for pasta. And don't even try to tell me you don't like zucchini noodles. They're fantastic with a light tomato sauce or pesto. You get all the satisfaction of a pasta dish without the carb coma afterward. Chapter 7. Kale, the King of Greens. Kale is the king of greens, and for good reason. This leafy green is packed with nutrients and fiber, making it a weight loss warrior. It's like the drill sergeant of your digestive system, whipping everything into shape. Toss it in a salad, smoothie, or sauté it with some garlic for a delicious and healthy side dish. Chapter 8. Cucumber, the Hydration Hero. Cucumbers are the superheroes of hydration. They're like a tall glass of water for your body, flushing out toxins and keeping you feeling refreshed. Plus, they're incredibly low in calories, so you can munch on them to your heart's content. Add some cucumber slices to your water for a refreshing twist, or throw them in a salad for a satisfying crunch. Chapter 9. Asparagus, the Water Whisperer. Asparagus is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps your body get rid of excess water weight. It's like a gentle nudge to your system, encouraging it to release what it doesn't need. Grill it, roast it, or sauté it. Asparagus is delicious any way you cook it. Chapter 10. Tomatoes, bursting with flavor and health. Tomatoes are a kitchen staple for a reason. They're juicy, flavorful, and incredibly versatile. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or sauces for a burst of flavor and nutrition. And don't forget about homemade salsa. Tomatoes are the star of the show, adding a touch of sweetness and acidity that will tantalize your taste buds. There you have it, my top 10 vegetables for shedding those extra pounds. These vegetables are not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile, making them perfect for a variety of dishes. From salads to stir-fries, the possibilities are endless. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can turn these simple ingredients into mouth-watering meals that you'll look forward to eating every day. Think about adding a splash of color to your plate with bell peppers, or a crunch with some fresh cucumbers. Get creative in the kitchen, experiment with different flavors and textures, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Cooking should be a fun and rewarding experience, not a chore. Try new recipes, mix and match ingredients, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the journey to a healthier you. Now, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content that you love. Plus, it lets me know that I'm on the right track with the information I'm sharing. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes and tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'm constantly working on new content to help you on your health journey, from meal prep ideas to workout routines. Now go forth and conquer your weight loss goals. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Stay motivated, stay positive, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this.